Hi viewers, welcome to Sun Computer Academy. In this video itself, we are going to watching about how to easily create letterhead, letterpad in the MS Office with watermark. Watermark is we can able to see generally in this JK Bond white sheet itself. We can see about some shade. You can see that the printed shade, light shade, it's a minute transparent letters. We can able to see that, but that we can't see very accurately, but it is something printed, that only we can able to see that we can't delete, we can't erase it also. That content, that words, how to print on the white sheet, that also we can able to make it in the MS Word. That only in this video we can able to see now. How to create MS Word itself, letterhead, letterpad and watermark. That only now we are going to watch in this video. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and press nearby bell button. Thank you. Hi viewers, in this video we can see how to create MS Word itself, letterhead, letterpad and how to create watermark also. First, have opened one blank page in the MS Word. I'm going to second tab itself, click it on the cover page itself. There is many example templates are available. Empty letterhead templates are available. You can choose any one of these. I am going to choose this template. After I choose this, I am going to take look the watermark. For creating watermark, the main menu itself, third tab itself, watermark. You can see the watermark itself. There are also some example templates are available. It is something, if you feel something different from your requirement, then go for custom watermark. In the choose customer watermark, you can choose your own text watermark. This already text already type yes sir. Instead of that, I am removing that. I am printing CRT. Second, the font, design of the font, I leave it as it is. If you want change the font, you can able to change by choosing this drop menu. Then size is auto. Color is the default color, I am leaving it. And layout, diagonal and horizontal. Now we see diagonal how it shows. See, now it has printed CRT. This is called watermark. How it is printed. It is very minutely we can able to look at this or document, then only we can able to visible it. Unless until we see very minutely, it does not visible. If you want change the document color also, you can able to change. That is available in the page color. See how it looks. You can change any color of the document. It does not look good. If you does not require any color, just leave it as it is, white. If you want change margin of the document, now I choose the normal. See, there are different margin sizes are available. Accordingly, you can change your document size. The size of the paper, letterhead, there are legal statement and A4 sheet. Many sizes are available. Any sizes you can able to change it. Now I am going to create my document title and address, phone number of the company. If you have, first I am typing, right click, add text, give tab, 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 tab. Now I takes place for typing company name. My company name, Cloud or Technologies. I want make it font some large size. Once again I am going to back for home and choosing font size. It is not enough, it is not enough, it is not enough. Yes, this is okay for my company name. Make center and make bold. Yes. this is okay for me, but still I need to change some contrast. So I am changing color of the font, make it as a white. Yes, it's some better to contrast. Okay, now I am typing my phone number and I don't want this much size of font. I reducing my font size. I am typing 74180608009, but it is still very less font size. This is okay. Next, I am going to type the document. Title of the document is invoice. Document subtitle. I don't need to give anything, just I leave it as it is. Then here I am typing I cut that here. This is customer company name and choose the date, today date, and company name L&T Soft. Plot number 35. So load. Bangalore. I make font size little bit bigger than that. I would like to move this date right side. I can't move it. Okay, I leave it. I leave it as it is because it's pre-arranged, pre-designed that much. If you want to make it that one, you completely remove it, then type it your data's right side or left side, anywhere you can type it from the document. Then header completed, document title completed, date of the document completed, and customer address also completed. Now body of the letter space is empty. You leave it as it is. At the time of you are going to typing anything, you can type it. Just leave it as it is. Now I am going to typing on the footer. Already I explained. While explaining the billing and invoices video itself, I have explained about header and footer. If you create any documents, there is available header and footer. So now I am going to typing on the footer. Here my address of the company, I am going to type it, JKP building, first floor, Sri Sai Ram Mahal, near to Sri Sai Ram Mahal, Karamadai Road, Metupalayam, then email address. Email address. mkv.ganesh@gmail.com. Now The footer also completed. I make change color of this footer fonts. Changing the color of the font. Yes. Now letterhead is completed. If you want this header and footer color need to be changed, insert page layout, there itself format itself, you can change color and footer color. That's all. Now your letterhead is ready. The same way you can create any type of documents, any type of letterhead. Save as MS Word document, desktop, invoice. This is the method of creating letterhead, letterpad with watermark. This is watermark. Thank you viewers. If you like this video, please subscribe and press nearby bell button and keep update this channel. Thank you.